No, categorically, may I ask if there was one time in my life, not even when I was a congressman, ito na lang naging senador po ako, naglabi po ba ako sa inyo ng kahit na ano o kahit isang flood control project, contractor, etc. in my public service career? Meron po ba na nilapit? Meron po ba na nagsabi ako sa inyo, ito dapat ang gawin at ako'y eksperto? Pwede niyo po bang sabihin lang, just for the record?
Well, for the record, Your Honor, I don't recall anything that came from you to propose any flood control project.
RD Tolentino, just to put on record.
Yeah, same as Secretary said.
Thank you. And I just want to put this on record. Ever since we have met and we talk about flood control programs, I always ask you, Secretary, I always ask you, RD, what do we do? How can we help? And these contractors na nakita ko, in fact, mali-mali pa nga yung numero ko pala noong mga nakaraang panahon. Itong mga contractors na nasa Bulacan lahat, ni isa ho dito, wala akong kilala dito eh. Nagulat po ako dun sa lumabas na total number or figures na hawak nilang proyekto. And ngayon, may possibility pa na may ghost projects. I hope that siguro kung ibabalik yung death penalty, sana sila unahin na Senator Bato. Maraming salamat, Mr. Chairman. Thank you, Secretary. And
Mr. Chairman, can I have a
Thank you,
quick, very
Senator
brief interjection?
Joel,
Just a very brief interjection.
okay.
In reaction to Senator Joel, I'd also like to add that during my time also, I would also like to make the same statement as Secretary that Senator Joel never approached me for anything like that. So I just like that, to add that to the record, that even when I was DPWH Secretary, that applies.
Thank you, Senator Mark, Secretary Mark. Thank you. Thank you,
Thank
Mr.
you.
Chairman.